Hey guys, it's GoldenSteelTV here. Um, I'm back with a Stepford County Railway video. This time, I'm gonna be driving Airlink. I've been wanting to drive Airlink on camera for quite some time, and now I'm getting around to doing so. All right, I'll be driving the 387 on on a on a on a route from Stepford Central to Airport Terminal 2. All right. Let's get going. Alright. Alright, then there's an express train, so I'm gonna say hi to it by honking at him. I usually say
Stepford Central only.
I honk at passing trains just to say hi to them. Alright. I just saw that there was another 387. Don't know if it's ahead of me, but right now I'm on my way to start the route at Stepford Central. I'm not sure which route the other 387 is gonna use, but we'll see when we get there. We'll see when I get there. Well, all right, we're almost there. All right, passing by a church. All right. We are here. Alright.
The train now approaching platform 8 terminates here.
Yeah, it's kind of busy around here.
Your attention,
especially
please.
on the Airlink side right now.
D1425.
With the other train.
Stepford Connect.
With the other train, I think.
Stepford Victoria has been cancelled.
With the other train on its way.
This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Yeah, I thought it was ahead of me, but now it's behind me and about to get here. Alright, this is what the drivers. This is what the.
This is Stepford Central.
Right, there it is.
This train terminates here.
The other train I got ahead of.
Please. Thank you for traveling with us today.
Yeah, as you just saw, that was what the. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Let's get started.
The train now approaching platform 12 terminates here. This train is the service from Airport Terminal 2.
Alright, I'm going to Airport Terminal 2 too.
The train now standing at platform 14.
Let's see where it's going.
The 1418 Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2 via Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Stepford Airport Central. Airport Terminal 1 and Airport Terminal 2. This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
The other train to Airport Terminal 2 has
now
left.
Standing at platform 12.
It's leaving now,
14,
and it's about to get ahead of me.
Airlink service
so
to Airport
Terminal
2
so we're experiencing a slight delay.
Central. Calling at Stepford East.
Once the signal is clear, we'll get going.
Airport Central. Airport
the route the other 387 is taking is a stopper route instead of the express route.
First class is located at the front of the train.
Right. The route I'm using is the express route, making no stops between Stepford Central and the airport. Here we go. Doors closing. We're on our way, now that the signal is clear. Welcome aboard, Airlink run 9X94. Stepford Airport Central is next. In the direction of travel,
Welcome on
doors
board
open
this
on the
Airlink
left or right
service to
at Stepford Airport
Airport
Central.
Terminal 2.
Transfer
Leaving
to connect
terminals
trains
at
at Stepford Airport
Stepford
Central.
Airport Central,
Right.
Airport Terminal 1, and
Alright,
Airport
let's ride.
Terminal 2. The next station will be Stepford Airport Central.
Alright. I'm hoping to get ahead of the 387 since that one is making it stop. At Stepford East, up ahead. But I'll have to slow down when I need to, because that train's gonna be ahead of me and causing me delays. Right. Now we could go faster. I'm really hoping I don't get spatted by the other 387. Alright. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, man. Right. Okay. It should be a fun ride. Now that I'm finally ahead. I love driving the 387. It's faster and it's smoother and it's smoother and it's the ride on it is so smooth and relaxing.
6 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Being that it's an electric train, it doesn't make too much noise. As such, it should be a relaxing ride right now, and a smoother ride as well. Right. This is the right. Express trains drive on here as well. Right. Just chatting with the people in this server. All right. If you see some of the people in the chat saying some, if you see the chat getting if you see the drama in the chat, I apologize. Ignore the drama that goes on in the chat. I can't completely control what goes on there. So what I can do is, when there's too much drama, I will close the chat. Right. Right.
Stand back from the platform edge.
Right. I have several other Airlink trains. My favorite is the Class 397. It's faster and it's also smoother and it drives a little bit faster than the 387 at 125 miles an hour. I love it. I love that one. I have the 185, the 360, not the Xbox 360, the 802, and the
Stop here. Please stand back from the platform
and the
edge.
802, I think. Forgot what it. I don't know. I think there's another airline train that I own, but forgot what it's called. But I'll think for a minute, as we're still on our way to Stepford Airport Central. Oh, I own the Class 385, which is only used for the terminal shuttle route, which comes along with the train when you buy it. But I don't use it that much. All other Airlink trains don't operate the terminal shuttle route. Only the Class 345 can. Alright, we're almost there.
We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Airport Central. Change here for trains to Leighton Stepford Road and Airport Terminal 3. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Airport Terminal 2. This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
Alright, here we are. Airport Central. This is Stepford Airport Central. Transfer to connect trains at Stepford Airport Central. This is an Airlink train to Airport Terminal 2.
Terminal 2. The next station will be Airport Terminal 1.
Doors closing. Airport Terminal 1 is next. Doors open on the left at Airport Terminal 1. Right, it's not far away from here.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2. We will call at
the next station up ahead is a one-way station only.
Airport Terminal 2.
Meaning doors will only open on the left.
Airport Terminal 1.
Train stopping there can only go to either Airport Terminal 2 or 3. And that's it. Nowhere else. As such, passengers wishing to go elsewhere must hop on the trains to either Airport Terminal 2 or 3.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
And then hop on another train somewhere else. Right, here we are. Terminal 1.
Platform 1 for the 1426 Airlink.
Yeah, this is a one-way station
Terminal
only.
2.
This is a one-way station.
Calling at Airport Terminal 2 only. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Alright, this is what the station looks like.
At the rear of the train.
As I'm zooming out, this is Airport Terminal 1.
Airport Terminal 2. The next station will be Airport Terminal 2.
Right. And as I'm zooming out, I can see the airport. Alright, doors closing. Airport Terminal 2 is next. Transfer to connected waterline trains at Airport Terminal 2. Alright, this is what the cab looks like, as you can see.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2.
Right.
The next station will be Airport Terminal 2.
Right. Our last stop. We'll be continuing on back to Stepford Central after this. So it's not over yet. Okay. Alright. That's Alright, the beep is letting us know we're almost there, and to prepare to stop at that station.
We will shortly be arriving at Airport Terminal 2. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change,
Right.
please.
Our last stop. We'll be on our way back to Stepford Central after this. Alright. And it's surrounded by lots of it's surrounded by lots. This station's surrounded by lots of tall buildings around here. Alright. The end of the route. Right. Right. Alright, here we are. This is Airport Terminal 2. As far as this train goes, transfer to connecting waterline trains at Airport Terminal 2. All passengers must leave the train. Thank you for riding Airlink. All right, let's go back to Stepford Air. Let's go back to Stepford Central.
Is the 1431
Right.
Airlink service to Stepford Central via Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Stepford Airport Central and Stepford Central.
Right, this is what the train
formed
interior
of
looks
4
like,
coaches.
with all the
First class
passenger
is
seats,
located at the
including
front
first
of the
class,
train.
as we're about to be on our way in just a sec. Doors closing. Welcome aboard, Airlink run 9S23. Stepford Airport Central is next. In the direction of travel, doors open on the left or right at Stepford Airport Central.
Welcome
Transfer
on board
to connect
this
trains
Airlink
at
service
Stepford
to
Airport Central.
Stepford Central.
Right.
We will call at
Taking a look at the cab
Airport
once.
Central.
Taking a look at the cab once
Stepford
again.
Central.
I
The
might do
next
this.
station will
I'll be switching.
Stepford Airport Central.
I'll be switching points of views time and time again throughout the journey. Alright, we're about to be on our way. Here we go. Let's ride. We're on our way back. Alright, this train will not stop at Terminal 1, unlike last time. Like I said, Terminal 1 is a one-way station only. Going only to Airport Terminals 1, Airport Terminal 2 and 3 only, depending on the route. Nowhere else. Alright. I love the detailing inside the interior and the exterior of this train as well.
We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Airport Central. Change here for trains to Leighton Stepford Road and Airport Terminal 3. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Alright. Our intermediate stop before going back to Stepford Central.
Calling at Stepford Central.
Also
only.
our penultimate stop,
This train
or
is
basically
formed of 4 coaches.
second to last stop of
First
the route.
class is located at the front
Back
of
to
the
Stepford
train.
Central. Alright, here we are. This is Stepford Airport Central. Transfer to connect trains at Stepford Airport Central.
This train is for Stepford
This
Central.
is an Airlink train to Stepford Central.
The next station will be Stepford Central.
Doors closing. Stepford Central is next. Transfer to connecting express trains at Stepford Central. Alright, now we're on our way back to our last stop. And then I'll hop off after this.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Stepford Central. The next station will be Stepford Central.
Alright. We're gonna be skipping stops between Airport Central and Stepford Central again. Like last time. Alright, sorry for the lagginess in this video. Yeah, the game is trying to load it. This game is trying to load itself up. So I apologize if this happens. Sorry, I apologize if that happens. Alright, passing by, saying hello, and to the other one as well. Oh, shit, forgot to speed up a little. But I'll speed up some more when we get to the faster sections of the route. Alright.
Please stand back from the platform edge.
Alright, we can finally speed up. Alright. Alright, Tom. Alright, this might be the last video of 2024. And if it's so, I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and a happy and healthy and prosperous New Year of 2025. Right, had a lot going on in 2024, but I'm hoping next year will be a good one for me. I have lots of things to do next year. And I'm hoping to bring more videos for 2025. I have lots of ideas in the pipeline for the new videos coming to the channel in the future. I'll get to these eventually. And stay tuned for whatever video. And stay tuned for... Stay tuned for the new videos that will come in the future. And I appreciate your support so much throughout this year, and I'm thankful that I've been able to. I'm thankful to be able to bring these videos out. To bring these videos out there, and to keep going. This is my side hobby. I only do this for fun, and this is what I love doing. Right. We're almost getting to our stop. Alright. So, alright. Alright, I got lots of stuff coming for 2025, like I said. Hopefully the stuff coming out will be. I hope you guys enjoy the new stuff that will come out in 2025. And I appreciate your continued support of the channel and your enjoyment of my videos.
Platform 8.
It makes me smile when you guys enjoy those videos.
Stand back from the platform edge.
And that's what makes me happy. Alright, we're almost there. We're almost at our last stop. Alright. Like I said, this will be the last video. This might be the last video of 2024. The next video will be in 2025. As it stands. As we're almost there.
Shortly be arriving at.
As we're almost at our last stop.
Central.
Ignore the.
Change here for trains to.
Ignore the lagginess of the announcements.
Stepford UFC.
Right, here we are.
Stepford Victoria.
Our last stop.
Whitefield and Willowfield. Please mind
this train will be out of service once we come to a full stop.
Change, please.
Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Wharton Newton.
You know this station's busy when the automated announcements
City.
Go for the other train first before me. Right.
The train now approaching platform 14 terminates here. This train is the service from Airport Terminal 2.
Now the announcements for my train just came. As I'm about to come to a full stop and I'm about to be out of service after this. Alright. Alright. Goodbye, everybody. This is Stepford Central. As far as this train goes, transfer to connecting express trains at Stepford Central. All passengers must leave the train. Thank you for riding Airlink. Alright. That is it, folks. That is it for this video. So, once again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and have a happy and healthy and prosperous New Year. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.